In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer ERC 20 USDT from Coinbase to Ledger. So firstly, open up your Coinbase. So log into your Coinbase account, open it up and log into your Coinbase account. Once I've logged into your Coinbase account here, so what we're going to do is you're going to go click on the search bar there on your top and then search for Tether. Tether is the US for USDT, so we're going to search for Tether. So select Tether. And then here you're going to click on this transfer option, and then from transfer select the send option here. And now what we're going to do, if you have not added your Ledger account yet, so what you're going to do, click on view more and hit on save contact, give a name to your account, and then all you have to do is plug in this your address of your Ledger account. So add that, hit on save and add it to your contact. Once I've already added it to your contacts, so simply now go back and then you go to simply select your contact, which is your Ledger account. So simply select that you have just saved, plug in the amount you wish to change, to transfer, and then make sure USDT Tether is selected, and then plug in the number, and then once that's done, hit on preview and then complete the transaction. So that's how you transfer.